Very often customers ask me about technology use and the size of the motor being controlled. When you're talking about small motors up to say 15 to 22 kilowatts, there's not a huge amount of difference between individual technologies in terms of price or performance, other than to select the right application-based product for your needs. But the larger the motor becomes, the bigger these differences become. Soft starter technology is really robust and reliable for fixed speed applications and really comes into its own the larger the motor becomes. Indeed, the larger the motor becomes in general, the more time you should take to carefully select the right product for your application. This can have huge cost and reliability impact on your business. If you've got requirements for motor control and in particular soft starter technology, contact the team at LC Automation today and they'll be pleased to help you. Thanks for watching. I'm Gavin Highfield of AuCom.